In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best carpet cleaner in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which carpet cleaner is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 5, Bissell SpotClean Portable Carpet. Every purchase conserves family pets. Bissell happily supports Bissell Pet Foundation and its mission to conserve homeless pets. Our most effective spot and discoloration cleaner. Works on carpeting, staircases, furniture, auto insides, and a lot more. Removes stubborn pet dog stains and installed dirt. Combines superior suction, scrubbing activity, and professional cleansing formula for your ideal cleansing outcomes. Specialist style outcomes. Effective, portable deep cleaner eliminates deep down dirt as well as stains. Devices and solution included. Consists of a deep discoloration device, 3-inch challenging spot tool, plus 2 8-ounces trial size formulas. Bissell SpotClean Pro Mobile Rug Cleaner is our most powerful place and also discolor cleaner. It makes use of a combination of exceptional suction, rubbing action, and also particularly developed Bissell cleaning solutions to get rid of spots, stubborn spots, and embedded dust. This small, 13-pound maker is easy to require in hard-to-reach locations, so you can eliminate areas as well as spots from carpetings, area rugs, stairways, furniture, vehicle interiors, and similar soft surfaces. Here is the item number 4, PRETTYCARE Cordless Carpet Cleaner. 20 kilopascals suction can even suck up your phone. PRETTYCARE Stick Vacuum Cleaner with 20,000 pascals storm suction practically reaches the suction of a typical canister vacuum. Removes dust, particles, pet dog hair, and difficult tinkeries. Leaves no dust behind. Widely applicable 2 modes and long-lasting battery. PRETTYCARE Cordless Vacuum Stick gives 35 minutes runtime in 11,000 pascals and also 20 minutes in 20,000 PA. Guarantees comprehensive single cleaning of 180 residents. 2 flexible settings adapt to different scenarios and also allow complete use of the battery. Ultra lightweight and convenient cordless utilizing. Cordless Hoover's main body's weight is less than 4 bottles of 330 ml soda pop, easy to use for a lot of ages. It can be utilized for individuals with some back problems, incredibly suitable for long-term one-hand cleaning. The 180 degrees rotatable floor brush allows you to quickly clean up the blind corners under furniture. The item number 3, Bissell SpotClean Portable Carpet. Every Bissell purchase conserves family pets. Bissell proudly supports the Bissell Animal Foundation and its mission to assist in saving homeless animals. Our most powerful portable spot and also discolor cleaner for carpetings, staircases, furniture, automobile interiors, and extra. Combines remarkable suction, rubbing action, and specialist cleaning solution to remove stubborn pet stains, embedded dust, and even more. Offers a deep tidy that leaves you with professional style outcomes. Permanently removes challenging animal spots with the power of OXY. Includes a discolor trapper tool to catch the dirtiest family pet messes. Also comes with a 3-inch challenging stain tool and 2 trial-size pet professional oxy urine eliminator solutions. Bissell Spot Tidy Pro Pet Dog Small Rug Cleaner combines powerful suction, cleaning action, and also cleaning option for remarkable cleaning results, getting rid of persistent dirt and hard pet dog stains. Number 2 in our list, Bissell TurboClean PowerBrush Carpet. Every purchase saves pets. Bissell happily supports the Bissell pet dog structure, as well as its objective to help save homeless pets. 4-row deep reach PowerBrush roll. Lifts away dirt and also stains that a vacuum leaves behind. Tackle tough pet messes. Great for cleansing high website traffic areas, tiny areas, and area rugs where pet messes happen. Lightweight and powerful. The small design makes cleaning carpets easy as well as convenient. 2-tank technology. Never ever clean with filthy water, plus they're very easy to eliminate, fill up, and empty. Removable nozzle. Conveniently keep and cleanse your machine. Don't allow the sleek and lightweight design of the Bissell TurboClean PowerBrush Pet Dog to fool you. This machine is difficult on pet dog messes that happen on rug and rug. The less than 13-pound equipment packs an effective cleaning strike. The 4.0 Deep Reach PowerBrush Roll collaborates with Bissell formula to remove pet messes like pets as well as feline urine, vomit, and also mud. The top one in our list, Bissell Portable Upholstery Cleaner. Every purchase saves family pets. Bissell happily supports Bissell Pet Foundation and its objective to assist in saving homeless pet dogs. Removes attractions and stains. Lift away messes from carpetings, furniture, cars, and truck insides as well as more. Solid spray and suction. Eliminate hard pet dog spots with strong spray and also suction. Large tank ability. 48 ounces storage tank implies you can clean up a lot more between refills. Devices and formula included. Comes with a 3-inch hard discoloration device, hydro-rinse self-cleaning hose device, and an 8 ounces trial size area and stain with Febreze quality formula. Certain hallmarks are used under license from the Procter & Gamble firm or its affiliates. Not every pet mess asks for full-size carpeting cleansing equipment. Usage Bissell Little eco-friendly mobile upholstery as well as carpeting cleaner to spray, scrub and lift away those smaller messes, like dust and also stains, from all types of surfaces. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best carpet cleaner amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like, comment your valuable opinion, and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.